Okay, welcome back to the refining of the sketches. And now you can take these sketches, you can work into them and go over them now with a different coloured pen. Now, when you get really good at this, you don't even need to do the blue sketches. I mean, quite often I never even bother doing the rough sketch, and I go actually straight into my final design, and that just takes practice. The more and more you do this, the better you'll become at it, and you'll be able to just go straight into your final drawing. But it's always extremely helpful if you're working on a new pose, just to sketch. It's quite a natural part of the process. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Absolutely not. Making mistakes, that's how you learn. Okay, I'm just going to draw this and see you at the other end. Okay, so here he is, happy little chap. What would you have him say? What would you write in here? Leave me a comment below the video and see if we can get some funny captions for this. You could, of course, change his eyes. You know, like I say, it's just decision making all the way along. You can decide that he could be perhaps looking at his hammer, and then that would give you different ideas about what he might be saying, or even looking at us. Okay, so there you go. So you saw the process of taking the roughs, working out the poses, and then working them up into the finals. And once you get the hang of it, you can just go straight to the finals. In this kind of pose, there's another alternative here. You've got a little guy here who's holding up a smelly sock instead. And you could decide there whether he is really proud of his smelly sock. You know, maybe he likes his, he thinks it's great. Look at that. He thinks that's wonderful. Or in fact, he thinks it's rather strange, or rather disgusting. Okay. So it's up to you. All right. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. That was a very long elf tutorial, but very comprehensive. And I'll see you next time for another tutorial. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell button so you get notifications. And we upload new videos every week. Okay, thank you. Oh, I hear the bells. What's this? Da, 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 da.